Huawei Nova 3i is a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus phone and comes with dual rear and front cameras. Choose from two colors, black and distinct iris purple. It comes with 4G RAM and 128GB storage. It is a dual SIM phone with both SIMs supporting 4G Volt. The all-glass design is set in a metal frame to provide a premium but sturdy feel. The screen has a 19.5:9 ratio, making it easier to use with one hand. Unlock the phone using either the 3D face unlock feature or the fingerprint sensor at the back. The phone has dual AI camera setup of 16 plus 2 megapixel at the back and 24 plus 2 megapixel at the front to give you great pictures. The artificial intelligence can recognize 22 scenes from across 500 scenarios to automatically modify camera settings depending on the situation. You get multiple shooting modes like bokeh and augmented reality. Use the innovative 3D Qmoji feature to create your own avatar and to share it on social platforms. Nova 3i runs the EMUI 8.2 operating system on top of Android Oreo. It is powered by a 3340 mAh battery. The Kirin 710 octa-core processor improves power saving and provides a smooth, lag-free experience when using the phone. The GPU turbo technology helps with an immersive gaming experience. Images and sounds are recognized in real time to provide engaging 4D gaming with different vibrations for different actions in a game. The phone comes with a charger, SIM ejector tool, cover and manuals. The phone is made available through various EMI options, cash on delivery and payment through your debit or credit card.
An Amazon exclusive.